Good morning to all. Today I will discuss resolving power of an optical instrument and Rayleigh criteria of just resolution. Resolving power of an optical instrument is the ability of that instrument to show the images of two close point objects or spectral lines as distinct one. Now, what is Rayleigh criteria of just resolution? According to Rayleigh criteria of just resolution, the two nearby point objects or two spectral lines are said to be just resolved if the principal maxima of one falls on the first minimum of the other and vice versa. We have three figures. One stands for well resolved, the other one is for just resolved, and the third one is for not resolved. Let us see in the case of well resolved, you can see that the intensity distribution of two wavelength lambda 1 and lambda 2, it has separate maximas. The separation between the central maxima that will depend upon the difference between the two wavelengths. If the difference between the two wavelengths is sufficiently large, then the central maxima due to both the wavelengths are separated and the two spectral lines are in well resolved situation. Whereas if we see the figure for the just resolved, you can see that the this is the case of just resolution. In this case, the difference between the two wavelength lambda 1 and lambda 2 is very small enough that it satisfies the condition of Rayleigh criteria, according to which the central maxima of the diffraction pattern due to lambda 1 coincides with the first diffraction minimum of the diffraction pattern due to the lambda 2 and vice versa. You can see in the second, that is the central maxima of lambda 2. This coincides with the first diffraction minimum of lambda 1. So in this case, we see clearly a dip in between the two central maxima. The resultant intensity curve, it consists of a dip between the two maximas, and the two central maximas are clearly visible as separate one. So this is the condition for the just resolved. Intensity at the dip point is measured as 8 times I naught upon pi square. I naught is the intensity of either of the principal maxima. The third case is, the third figure shows the not resolved condition, in which we can see the difference between the two wavelengths is very small, that the resultant intensity curve consists of single maxima, or we can see that the diffraction pattern due to both the wavelength lambda 1 and lambda 2 are overlapping with each other, and because of this reason the resultant intensity curve consists